Sum number 6. Find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis and x is equal to root 3y and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. So in this sum there is a circle. So a circle is given and a straight line equation is given. So a circle is cutted by a straight line. We have to find the area of the particular region. Okay. So solution. The equation of circle is, the given equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to 4. So this I can write it as x square plus y square equal to 4. I can write it as 2 square. Okay. What is the equation of circle? General equation of circle. So general equation is x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square is equal to r square, where a and b are center. So here a and b value will be, obviously it is 0. So the center is 0, 0 and the radius is 2. So let us draw a circle. Okay, a circle, right? And let us draw a circle. Okay. Now center is 0, 0 and the radius is 2. Okay. So the radius is 2. That is from here to here. The radius value is 2. Not this. This is called. So this value is 2 centimeters. So I can write this to be as 2, 0. And here 0, 2. And here this will be minus 2, 0. Right? Now, the given line is x is equal to root 3y. So, when we substitute x is equal to 0, y is also 0. So, definitely this line passes through the origin. So, let me draw the line. This line passes through the origin. Okay. There is a shake. Okay. So, you can draw a straight line. So, the line name is x is equal to root 3. Now, we have to find the point of intersection. Given x square plus y square is equal to 4. And here I have x is equal to root 3y. So now I can substitute in the place of x as root 3y, isn't it? So root 3y the whole square plus y square is equal to 4. So root 3y the whole square gives us 3y square plus y square is equal to 4. What is 3y square plus y square? This gives us 4y square. So 4y square equal to 4. So y square is equal to 1. So y is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay. So when y is equal to 0, when y is equal to positive 1, what happens to x? X is equal to, actually we have x is equal to root 3y. So when I substitute y is equal to 1, x value is root 3. When y is equal to minus 1, then x is equal to minus root 3. So let us substitute this. So root 3, 1. So root 3, 1, it can be of here. Okay. So when y is equal to 1, x is root 3. When y is equal to minus 1, x is minus root 3. So minus y is minus 1, minus root 3, it can be somewhat here. So let me draw a straight line. Now we have to find the area of this shaded region. Right? Now let me name this to be as O, A, B, C. So I have to find the area of O, A, B, O, A, C. So how we find the area of O, A, C? So this can be split as area of O, A, B plus B, A, B, C. Right? Area of O, A, C. Area of OAC, the entire region, is equal to area of OAB plus ABC. Okay, area of ABC. Area of OAB plus area of ABC. So here area of OAB. So this is nothing but the integral of, actually we have the line to be as this point to be, okay, this y dx. Plus, and the limit range is, so from here to here. So from 0 to this value, 0 to root 3. 0 to root 3 plus, and what is this? This is actually a curve. So here the curve integral of y dx, the limit is here from root 3 to 2. Root 3 to 2. So root 3 to 2. Is this step clear? So area of OAB plus area of ABC. So here area of OAB, this resembles a triangle. So area is nothing but just integral of y dx. So integral of y dx, and here also integral of y dx. Now we have to substitute this. So integral 0 to root 3, and the limit is, so here from 0 to this particular value, 0 to root 3, and here root 3 to 2. So now what is y? Actually we have x is equal to root 3y. So from this y is equal to x divided by root 3. So x divided by root 3 dx plus integral root 3 to 2. What is y? Y is from the circle equation, x square plus y square is equal to 4. Y square is equal to 4 minus x square. So y is equal to square root of 4 minus x square. So I can write 4 also to be as 2 square. So 2 square minus x square dx. So 1 by root 3 we can take it commonly out. Okay, not 1 by root 3 is a constant, we can keep it out. Integral of x. Integral of x is x square by 2. The limit is 0 to root 3 plus, what is this? This is of the form integral square root of a square minus x square. So integral square root of a square minus x square is equal to, what is the value? X by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. Okay. So please study these formulas, otherwise we cannot proceed with the integral. Right. So integral of a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. Now in the place of a we have 2, and in the place of x we have x itself. So I can write x by 2 square root of 2 square is 4 minus x square plus a square. It is nothing but 2 square. 2 square is 4 divided by 2 sine inverse of x by 2, and the limit is root 3 to 2. Okay, root 3 to 2. So this is equal to 1 divided by root 3 to root 3 upper limit. Upper limit is root 3 square is 3 minus lower limit is 0 plus upper limit 2 by 2 square root of 4 minus 2 square is 4 plus 4 by 2 is 2 sine inverse of 2 by 2 is 1 upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit is root 3. So root 3 by 2 square root of 4 minus root 3 square is 3 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2 sine inverse of root 3 by 2. So this is equal to 3 minus 0 gives us 3. So 3 divided by 2 root 3 plus 2 gets cancelled. 4 minus 4 is 0 and then 2 sine inverse of 1. So sine inverse of 1 is 90 degree. So I can write it as pi by 2 minus root 3 by 2. Root 4 minus 3 gives us 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Plus into minus is minus 2. Sine inverse of root 3 by 2. So where does this comes? 60 degree. So 60 degree I can write it as pi by 3. So this is equal to, I can write root 3 as root 3 into root 3 divided by 2 root 3 plus 2 gets cancelled. Pi minus root 3 by 2 minus 2 pi by 3. So this is equal to root 3 and root 3 gets cancelled and we have root 3 by 2 plus pi minus root 3 by 2 minus 2 pi by 3. So plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 gets cancelled. Pi minus 2 pi by 3. Pi divided by 3 square units. Don't forget to put the square units. So pi by 3 square units is the answer. So one important thing which I want to share with you is, as I told you, please keep remember the integral calculus formulas. Not only integral calculus, differential calculus. The main thing is differential and integral. So, I'm just giving you a trick. You can write all the formulas in a paper and you can paste it somewhere in your room or in your hall where you sit and study. So, whenever you wake up or whenever you are doing something, you can just go through a glance so that the formulas will be continuously, you can continuously keep watching. So definitely it helps somewhat 1% more than whatever 1% more. So this idea you can try. I'm not compelling, you can try, and you can try and tell me the result. Sum number 7. Find the area of the smaller part of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square cut off by the line x is equal to a divided by root 2. So solution. So let us take the circle equation as x square plus y square equal to a square. So what is the center? Center is 0, 0 and the radius is a. Because x minus a the whole square plus y minus b whole square, when I compare with that formula, we get x is equal to, we get center to be as 0, 0 and radius to be as a. So let me draw the circle. So the circle with radius to be as a. So we write a, 0 here, minus a, 0, 0, a, this point. So the center is 0, 0. So this is a circle with, from the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square, and now the line given is x is equal to a divided by root 2. So there is a line, the line is x is equal to a divided by root 2. Let us substitute in x square plus y square equal to a square. That is, I am going to substitute 2 in 1. So x square in the sense that a square divided by root 2 square is 2 plus y square equal to a square. So y square is equal to a square minus a square by 2. So y square is equal to 2a minus a gives us a square by 2. So y is equal to plus or minus a divided by root 2. So let us substitute when x is equal to. So I got y is equal to plus or minus a divided by root 2. So square plus y square gives us a square by 2 equal to a square. So x square is equal to a square minus a square by 2. So x square is equal to 2a square minus a square gives us a square divided by 2. So x is equal to plus or minus a divided by root 2. So we take a positive value, x is equal to a divided by root 2. So when we can substitute the points, this is a and a divided by root 2, it will be somewhere here. So this is x is equal to a divided by root 2 and y is equal to a divided by root 2, it will be here. So let us join. And similarly the negative part is, so this is x is equal to a divided by root 2 and y is equal to a divided by root 2. Okay. So line is extended up to here. So here this point is a by root 2, this is a by root 2 and this is a. So we have to find the area of this shaded region. Okay. So we have to find the area of this entire region. The line, a circle is cutted by the line. We have to find the area of this full shaded region. In order to find this area of full shaded region, I can split it into, I can just find out this part and then multiply into 2. So area is equal to 2 times of integral. So here this is a curve. This part is a curve, isn't it? This is a curve. So a by root 2 to a. So the limit is a by root 2 to a modulus y dx. So what is y? Given x square plus y square is equal to a square So y square is equal to a square minus x square. So y is equal to plus or minus square root of a square minus x square. We choose only positive value. So 2 integral a divided by root 2 to a modulus y. So square root of a square minus x square dx. This is actually a formula. So integral of square root of a square minus x square is nothing but x by 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. The limit is a divided by root 2 to a. So I can apply the upper limit minus lower limit. Here in both terms 2 is common. So this 2 will be get cancelled. So when I apply upper limit is a square root of a square minus a square plus a square sine inverse of a by a is 1 upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit is a divided by root 2. So a divided by root 2 square root of a square minus x square. X square is a square by 2 minus, because minus is standing outside. So upper limit minus lower limit. So minus is standing outside. So I am just multiplying minus. So plus into minus gives us minus, or if you get confused, I will just put in the next step. So lower limit is upper limit minus lower limit. A by root 2, a square minus a square by 2 plus a square sine inverse of x. X value is a by root 2 divided by a. So this is equal to, the first value will be 0 plus a square sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2 minus a divided by root 2 square root of 2a square minus a square gives us a square by 2 plus a square sine inverse of a by root 2 divided by a. So what happens? A gets cancelled and we have sine inverse of 1 by root 2. So this is equal to a square pi by 2 minus a divided by root 2 into, here square root of a square is a, square root of 2 is root 2 plus into minus is minus a square sine inverse of 1 by root 2. It is nothing but 45 degree. 45 degree we can write it as pi by 4. So this is equal to a square pi by 2 minus a square root 2 into root 2 is 2 minus a square pi by 4. So this is equal to, here into 2 into 2, so 2a square pi minus a square pi gives us a square pi divided by 4 minus a square by 2. So a square by 2, if I take it commonly out, we get pi by 2 minus 1 square units.